Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and today we'll be doing a very beginner friendly, super simple and easy, straight out of the box wig install. Now this one comes courtesy of Unice, and this is their 14-inch loose wave bob. She has a beautiful 6x4 upgraded cap construction, a pre-styled, pre-parted deep side part here. The cap on this one is lightweight and breathable. She includes an adjustable elastic band at the nape. We have the silicone anti-slip strips around the 360 edge or nape of the wig, and it goes literally from here to here all the way around, which is going to again give you that anti-slip technology. It's not going anywhere. This one here is also max stretchy, so that the largest of head, the big head friendly girls can definitely subscribe to this one. And then the icing on the cake, this one has that nice invisible drawstring at the middle, so you can adjust it as needed, again, for a beautiful glueless fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, well, before we get into it, I wanted to show you guys what this one looks like straight out of the box. I love to wear this one a little tuck on the like recessive side. I guess this is the dominant side, but this one here is gorgeous along the hairline. But I just really wanted to show you guys, it really has a glueless fit. I like to do a little bit of baby hair, just messy in the front to camouflage any imperfections day to day. Usually install day you don't need that, but like throughout the week, gym, you sweat, your mom, you just want to keep it seamless. So here you guys can see you do a nice lift and it's nice and snug. The silicone around the nape is helping us out. The drawstring at the back is helping us out, as well as the adjustable elastic band. And you can pop it right back down and look at how flawless she is. Now let's install this glueless baddie.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Wavy is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
Late night, city light, with the bass in my heartbeat. We gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at nights, feeling low. The vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know what that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By far, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. This my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still.
Okay, quick little style. I feel like this is like very grade school-esque. Nonetheless, it works. Say you want to just get your hair out of your face with a curved side part the way it is. It looks so good. But again, sometimes when you're cleaning, when you're doing your mom thing, running errands, sometimes even when I'm driving, I just want to push the hair out of the way. So this was a simple way to do it. All I needed was one bobby pin. I kind of just twisted it a little bit, pushed it up in a little 90s Y2K poof, and it looks good. And even though it's not perfectly centered, it has that side part vibe. It gets the hair out of the face and it still gives a vibe, especially because the hairline is literally so flawless. Okay, so for our next magic trick, this one also isn't going to be perfect. We're going to take a piece from here and you can keep that same twist going. Maybe just like twist it going this way as well. And then from this vibe, I would take one of these scrunchies again, or the elastics, and rather than bobby pinning it, I would probably loop it a couple times, let it be messy as it wants to be. And again, you still get the vibe. It's probably very messy, but you just put in a little pony back here and it blends with the rest of the hair. You maybe even be, in some cases, maybe able to take it lower so that you can put it like in between, like have hair over it. That way you can't see it at all. And yeah, 2 quick and simple, easy hairstyles.
Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love.
Okay, really quickly, love bugs. So Unice sent me over 2 test strips of lace. This one here is HD lace and it's transparent lace. You guys have already seen the B-roll comparison against the white wall behind me. And the HD lace literally disappeared while the transparent lace had a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Now I went ahead and did like an arm test where you can see this here is also the HD lace and this one here is the transparent lace. And look at how this one here melted in with the Got To Be glue spray. This one is seamless. This one is flawless. This one is still beautiful, but it's very flawed. You can see it's detectable, whereas this one is undetectable, even with my hairy arm. So get a load of that. That comparison is awesome. Even from far away, you can see this one just melts right in. This one here likes to sit on top. So this one like becomes one with your skin. And even with the lace tint, chef's kiss. Okay, love bugs, so this is the finished look. We went ahead and did a test with the lace, and the HD lace won by a landslide. Now this one here is a 13x4. So this one here is a 14-inch 6x4 glueless lace side part wig. The texture is water wave, and of course we have her set as a beautiful bob. Now this one is set as a curved side part, and I love that it's pre-parted, so I don't have to do any of that at all. The hairline is glueless. I did add a little detail here. You really can't see it at all with this one styled, but again, I like to do things like this just to break up the hairline and make it look even more pre-plucked. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, love bugs. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.